Hello everyone, welcome to today's unboxing video. I have my second Scentbird open. So last month I opened my first one, kind of. I know I had this years and years ago. So I've been loving this. I can't wait to see what scent we have. So I'm curious. I think I might have used almost all of this. Oh my gosh, I did look at it. So this did last a full month and there is some left. And this is one I have applied multiple times on certain days. I had Confessions of a Rebel Rose, so safe to say I really have enjoyed this fragrance. And even with using it a lot, there is some left, so they aren't lying when they say you get a month's supply at least. So let's see what I got. I know what I chose. So if you guys don't know, I guess I should tell you about that. Sorry, it's kind of late in the day. It's almost 5 p.m. already. Scentbird is a monthly fragrance subscription. I feel like most people know about it, but I want to tell you about it just in case. This is one I do get myself. So I do have a link they give me every month for one free fragrance. So I'll link that down below. So the first person to use it can get their first month free, I believe. So take advantage of that if you want to try it out, if you're really getting into fragrance like I am. So this is normally like $17.95 a month or something like that, $17.99. So it comes in that bag and we get a little handout, and then in here will be my fragrance. So you just get one of these like little holders. Why am I not thinking of the words? I should film earlier in the day, but I do other work then. So the one I chose for this month is Deck of Scarlet, I'm Expensive. So I like that we get some information here. So it talks about the fragrance notes and more about it. So let's read the paragraph and then we'll get into the notes. Like your lavish state of mind, this decadent scent opens with rich notes of pistachio and vanilla bean, while cocoa adds a delectable earthy twist. A dollop of creamy, I don't know why the word dollop makes me giggle. A dollop of creamy amber rounds out the composition, while sandalwood grounds the blend. There's fancy, there's opulent, and then there's you, as plush as your custom-made faux fur and as strong as every diamond in your collection. I just have so many. You're not just extravagant, honey. You're downright expensive. So I thought this sounded like a great fall scent. So then the notes are pistachio, vanilla bean, cocoa, creamy amber, and sandalwood. I did get a pistachio scent in a past Ipsy a few months ago, and I really liked that. I think I have a little bit left, and I love sandalwood. I just think this will sound great. So let's get this out. How do I do it? That was a satisfying sound. So yeah, you just get this little refill here. So I like, would you call this like a component? I don't know. I think something's kind of classy about it. I like it. It fits into your purse easily. Okay, let's see. I think I did put on perfume, but it's been hours. So it just snaps together easily. And there's a lock function, so let's unlock it. Ooh, I like it. It's kind of sexy. Let's see. It's not super strong. It's light, but it smells nice. I'm trying to get it. Like, I don't smell. I feel like it's a good mix of all of those notes. Not one is really standing out to me. It smells really good. It's not too gourmand. I thought maybe it would be like really heavily gourmand scented, but it smells really nice. The more I smell it, the more I like it. It looks weird, like I'm just like smelling my armpit or something, but I do like spraying it in my elbow crease. It's a good place. So I really do like it. Every time I sniff it, it smells better and better. It's one of those. It's so yummy. It's pretty light. It's not super strong, I would say. It's definitely more fall. I feel like the Rebel Rose, that floral scent, was more like summery, springy. I mean, it's still like summer weather I am, but fall vibes. This is really good. I like it so much. I wish I could describe it better, but I love that they gave us some information here. What notes do I smell the most? I think it's seriously a really good mix. And I'm trying to bring in abundance. So now I'm gonna be like, I'm expensive. I'm that bitch, you know? So I'm excited about this. It's really fall-like. I love it. I can't wait to like try it out when I'm around friends and stuff and see what they think. But I'm really loving it. I'll have to let you know more next month. I'm definitely going to keep subscribing. If you guys have a favorite fragrance, will you let me know? Because they have so many options there. Seriously, check it out. Even if you just browse their website, link below, they have so much. And perfume can be expensive. I usually don't like using that word, but when I'm referring to myself, like, I'm expensive. I just like nice things. I'm a luxurious, I don't want to call myself a bitch, but I'm a luxurious bitch. But anyways, I am gonna go. This was so good. Let me know your thoughts. Let me know what perfumes you like. I want to keep smelling, but this isn't very flattering to do. I really like it. At first, when like the very first, I was like, do I smell much? But it opens, but it's a really good blend of all of those notes, and I like all of them. It smells really nice. Let me know if you've tried this one. Leave a comment down below and subscribe if you haven't already. Like this video, leave a comment, and do something special for yourself today. You deserve it. I love you. Bye.